Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to make this super amazing Kashmiri Paper Mache Lion, very easily at home. So let's get started. Take an old newspaper, cut it down into tiny pieces and soak them into water for 24 hours. After that, remove water and grind it finely with little moisture remaining. Again, using old newspapers, try to make a basic structure of our lion's body as per the video. Use masking tape wherever required. Our basic model will look something like this. Now take an old utensil, mix rice flour with water in it in the ratio 1:2 or in a consistency as shown in the video. Cook it for 2 minutes until it becomes thick. Mix this rice paste with crushed newspaper to make paper mache. Start applying paper mache to our lion's body. Do this slowly and gradually. Tap with fingers to apply it smooth and firmly. Once it's done, keep it for drying in a sunlight. You can also add one more layer of paper mache to make it extra strong. Now in an old plastic container, add boiled water and add powdered adhesive. I'm using animal glue here. You can use Fevicol too for this purpose. Mix it well, then slowly add chalk mitti powder in it. Apply this mixture to our lion's body to give it smooth outer layer. Sand out the extra chalk mitti with sandpaper once dried. Draw a beautiful design on the surface using pencil. Now it's time for coloring. Use poster colors for coloring. You can use your favorite colors, whichever you like. I have designed my own motif and color scheme for this piece, keeping in my Kashmiri traditional design. Finally, add a layer of varnish on it and our lion is ready to be sold in the market. If you loved this video, please give it a like, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more such kind of videos.